Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cat door latch is probably one of the most ingenious solutions for multi-pet households. If you're tired of your dog barging in on your cat's private moments, or if your cat needs a safe space away from a playful pup, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cat door latches, exploring what makes them effective, and helping you choose the perfect one for your home. Number 5. Door Buddy Pet Door Latch for Cats, Gray. Tired of cutting holes in your doors for your cat? This adjustable door strap is the original cat door alternative. It gives cats their own space without the hassle of a traditional cat door or a bulky dog gate. This is the easiest way to keep your door cracked open for your cat while keeping dogs out. The strong 3M adhesives allow it to install in seconds and can stop dogs up to 120 pounds from entering. Installation is tool-free and simple. The 3M adhesives stick to your door and frame. The adjuster lets you keep the door open just enough for your cat. It's easy to latch from either side for quick access. It works on most door types, including bifold, sliding, and double doors. You can customize the width from 0 to 6 inches. Adjust it to the smallest gap to keep cats out or to fit your cat while keeping dogs out. Quality pet owners deserve quality products. This is a small business-owned product, invented by parents, and made in the USA. It's affordable and made with superior quality materials. This product includes an adjustable door strap with a hook and latch, but not a door stopper. It attaches with strong 3M adhesive. Results may vary based on the surface. Do not install on drywall. What we like? This product is adjustable, allowing you to customize the door gap to perfectly fit your cat. Installation is super easy, taking only seconds. If you have multiple cats or a particularly large dog, you should consider this. What people say. It's durable, easy to install, and works perfectly for keeping the door cracked just the right amount. This works great. Easy to install and sturdy. Very easy to install and it keeps my dogs out of the car room. Great alternative to gates. Number 4. Door Buddy, adjustable dog-proof cat door. Introducing Door Buddy, the original solution for giving your cat their own space. This innovative product eliminates the need for cutting a cat door into your interior doors or dealing with bulky pet gates. It's a customizable, durable, and effective alternative. Door Buddy is the easiest way to keep doors ajar for your cat while keeping dogs out. The strong adhesive and door stopper combo can stop dogs up to 120 pounds from entering restricted areas. It's a simple solution for a cat-friendly home. Installation is tool-free and straightforward. The adhesive sticks to your door and frame, and the adjuster lets you set the perfect gap for your cat. The strap flexes around the door for easy access from either side. Avoid installing on drywall for best results. Door Buddy works on various door types, including bifold and sliding doors. You can customize the width from 0 to 6 inches. Adjust it to fit your cat's needs and keep dogs out. The foam stopper adds extra safety. Door Buddy is a small business product, invented by parents and made in the USA. Unlike cheaper alternatives, it's made with superior quality materials. Try it today and see why so many pet owners love it. What we like? This is the original no-cut cat door alternative, giving your cat back its space. It also includes a door stopper for added safety. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution that's made with quality materials, you should consider this. What people say. They took all of 30 seconds to install, and they work exactly as advertised. The plastic is thick and sturdy. The strap and buckle are high quality and look pretty nice, better than plain old nylon-type material. Easy to install. Simple, effective solution to a common problem. Number 3. Door Buddy, cat door prop, dog-proof. Introducing the Door Buddy. This clever device keeps interior doors ajar, just enough for your cat to slip through. It's the perfect solution to keep dogs out of the cat space. Using the Door Buddy is a breeze. Simply open the door as usual, and the latch holder will automatically secure it in the propped position. No manual latching needed. Installation is easy, just replace your existing strike plate. It requires no adhesives or modifications, making it ideal for renters. Take it with you wherever you go. Customize the opening width to suit your pets. The door buddy allows you to adjust the gap between 3 to 5.5 inches. A T8 Torx tool is included for adjustments. Made from high-quality materials, the door buddy is built to last. It's strong enough to withstand determined dogs, and it's designed to prevent pinched fingers or tails. Forget about complicated installations or cutting holes. The door buddy is the best alternative to a cat door, giving your cat its own space. It's easier than a baby gate. The door buddy is a patented product, made by a small business in the USA. Unlike other options, it's affordable and made with quality materials. Try it today. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to use, with a simple push or pull to latch. The installation is non-permanent, perfect for renters. If you like a hassle-free solution that's also adjustable, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and easy to install. Keeps dogs out and cats can get by easily. Great idea. It works great. Easy to install, solid construction, great for renters. This is incredible since it leaves the perfect crack for the cat to get into her apartment and keep the dog out. He looks awfully defeated when he can see in there but can't get in. Love this. It was very easy to install and the door functions perfectly still. Number 2. FlexLatch Cat Door Holder, Easy Cat Door Alternative. This innovative product is incredibly easy to use. You can easily attach it with just one hand from either side. The simple flex action makes it easy to latch or release the door. It's built to withstand tough use. The nylon and stainless steel construction can deter even the most determined dogs. It's designed and packaged in the USA. This one-piece design easily hooks onto most doorknobs. It safely holds the door, protecting your cat's private space from larger animals. It won't ruin your paint or damage your home. There's no cutting, measuring, double-sided tape, or screws needed. It offers easy access from either side of the door. The one-piece nylon design is reinforced with stainless steel. This provides tremendous rigidity and durability. Simply hang it from your doorknob and it's ready to go. What we like. This product features a one-piece design that easily hooks onto most doorknobs. Installation is super fast, with no tools needed. If you are looking for a simple, strong, and easy-to-use solution, you should consider this. What people say. The opening is supposed to be 4-inch, but it measured more like 412 foot and could possibly flex out to 434. It keeps the door open that tiny amount so it can't slam shut on a cat coming or going. It's very sturdy. Number 1. Neobay Cat Door Latch, Dog-Proof, Easy Install. This innovative door strap and latch from Neobay is designed to keep dogs out of the litter box. It uses an adjustable strap to create a gap wide enough for cats to enter, but too narrow for dogs. This gives your cat the privacy they deserve. Forget bulky pet gates or permanent cat doors. This is a simple and affordable solution. It installs in seconds with strong adhesive, making it perfect for renters and anyone looking for a hassle-free way to manage pet access. The design features a solid alloy hook for added strength against persistent dogs. The adhesive area and strap are wider and longer for better performance. There are also reserved screw holes for extra security if needed. It's incredibly easy to use. You can latch or unlatch it with one hand, from either side of the door. This offers a convenient alternative to complicated pet gates or permanent door modifications. Need extra parts? A replacement accessory kit is available for purchase separately. Search for the ASNB 09GJW6R2B to find it. This ensures you can keep the system working perfectly. What we like. This product is a cost-effective alternative to pet gates and cat doors. Installation is quick and easy, with no permanent modifications needed. If you like a simple and budget-friendly solution, you should consider this. What people say. Works really good and easy to install. I have a 7-month-old lab who kept getting into the kitty litter, so I bought this so she couldn't get in the door. Cat can still fit through the door and it leaves a big enough opening in the door to be able to unlatch it. This works perfect for keeping my toddler out of the bathroom but allowing the cats to get in. So easy to install, and with the bumper thing, the door won't shut when my toddler inevitably attempts to shut it. Perfectly customizable for size. Bought 2 more of these because the first one worked so well. We wanted to have a way for our cats to enter/exit a room while restricting access for our dog. These straps work a treat. Easy to install, easy to open and close the door, just flick the hook. Does a great job at allowing our cats into their rooms or our bedroom at night while preventing our dog from leaving or having a litter box snack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.